For this video, we will look at the live data processing feature for the Phoenix mass spectrometers. To utilize this feature, we can first navigate to the Analysis menu, and then we will see the Start Live Data Processing option. After clicking on it, Tripoli will attempt to use your most recently used directory to look for the live data file. In my case, I don't have one, or maybe it couldn't find it. I am prompted to select my method folder, and here I will select on an analysis folder, but you could also select the parent folder that holds all the analyses. It may look like nothing has happened, but that is because no data has been read in yet. If we go back to that menu option, we can see that the text has changed to say Stop Live Data. For this demonstration, I'm just manually inserting the text output files that would be given by the mass spectrometer and dropping them into the live data folder for the analysis in order to simulate the mass spectrometer creating these files in real time. The speed of this reading might differ. As I drop in the first output file, we can see the plots window will automatically render with the available data, which is just 1 point currently. Now as I continue dropping in more files, we can see the charts begin to take shape. While this is processing, you can sculpt and reject the data as it is loaded in real time. And when the mass spectrometer finishes and creates the finished file, Tripoli will automatically load this file in and merge any edits you made while the live data was being processed. If I exit out of the plots window, the processing still continues in the background. Here we can see there is a temporary analysis in our session that is tagged as live data. If we load this in Tripoli, we can adjust it just like a regular finished analysis. Now I will drop in the TIMS-DP, which is the finished file, in order to simulate the mass spectrometer finishing its processing. We can see that Tripoli alerts us that it has detected this and will load in the finished file. The live data processing has switched to waiting for a new analysis to start. If a new analysis were to start, it would automatically switch to that and repeat the process all over again. As a note, this feature is only available for Phoenix type mass spectrometers. When you load in an analysis, Tripoli attempts to determine your mass spectrometer type, which you can see in the header here. If it's wrong for whatever reason, you can adjust it in the settings menu. Here we can change the current type, and if you want to save it, you can click Save to User, and it will persist across multiple sessions.